In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pagination to a table in Retool. Pagination helps your users navigate large datasets without getting overwhelmed, and it keeps your interface fast and clean. We'll make a small change that gives your table professional navigation controls and a smoother experience. Start by selecting your table component on the canvas. Click directly on the table so it's highlighted. When the table is selected, you'll see its settings appear in the right-hand sidebar. That sidebar is the inspector panel, where you control how the component looks and behaves. If you're working with multiple tables, double-check you've selected the correct one by confirming the table's name at the top of the inspector. In the inspector panel, look for the Content section. Within Content, find the Add-ons area. This is where Retool groups extra features that enhance your table without changing your data source. If the add-ons group is collapsed, expand it so you can see what's available. You should notice an option to enable pagination here. Click the plus button next to pagination to turn it on. The moment pagination is enabled, your table will display page controls, usually a set of page numbers and next or previous buttons, so users can move through results in smaller chunks. This doesn't alter your data. It simply changes how many rows appear at once, making scanning and comparing rows easier. Now set the page size, which controls how many rows display per page. Think of this as the balance between visibility and readability. A smaller page size, like 10 or 15, keeps each page quick to scan and reduces scrolling, which is great for dense tables or smaller screens. Larger page sizes, like 20 or 50, show more context at once and can be useful on wide dashboards or when users need to compare many rows side by side. If your dataset is heavy or your queries return lots of rows, a moderate page size helps maintain responsiveness and keeps the interface from feeling crowded. You can adjust this number anytime as your design evolves. With pagination enabled and the page size set, your table is now easier to navigate. Users can jump between pages, keep their place as they review records, and focus on the data that matters without wading through an endless scroll. It's a small configuration that delivers a big usability win. That's all it takes to add pagination to a table in Retool. Select the table, open Content and Add-ons, enable pagination, and choose a page size that fits your layout and users' needs.